Hey guys, it's David Wynn here, August University. This is day 3, mission 3, and I want to break it down. Basically, what you're gonna learn in this course, this mission is the who, not the how. So basically what Russell talks about basically is a breakdown of the fact that you don't necessarily have to do everything yourself, right? You wanna build a product, build a funnel, even build a business. You don't have to be a one-man show. You don't have to have the intelligence and the know-how to do everything. And it makes an example of a contractor, right? So if someone's gonna build an apartment, a complex, a house, whatever, a huge project, you don't necessarily have to buy all the tools yourself and build the building, right? You can hire the right contractors and overlook everything and get the job done. Just as simple, if not actually way easier. Because not all of us have the talent to do everything. So he breaks out the who. So when you're building a funnel a ClickFunnel, there's a couple elements to it, right? So there's gonna be the domain, there's gonna be the funnel itself, there's gonna be ad copy, there's gonna be images, there's gonna be video, there's gonna be some graphics design stuff, there's gonna be a logo, there's gonna be all these different factors, right? So you basically break down what you're good at and what your time value is worth per hour and how many hours it would actually take to accomplish these different tasks, right? So I'm actually gonna show you guys a breakdown on the sheet here so you can kind of take an inside look. So there's basically a breakdown of the different things that you can do when performing these different tasks that are required for your funnel, right? So you can see what your strong points are. So what are you good at? And I was just kind of going from what I would actually enjoy doing as well as my skill set. So my strong points was creating the worksheet creation that I need for the documents in the funnel, like a checklist. Editing the video, I'm pretty comfortable with that. Running Facebook ads, I'm comfortable with that, and also the social media, as I do social media management and things like that with my marketing agency. And some things that I would rather outsource just to get the job done is writing certain sales copy, writing emails. I don't want to sit there writing emails all day, guys. Logo design, I'm not going to sit there try to figure out Photoshop for several hours, if not days. I'd rather just pay someone $15, $20, $30 to build a logo for me. As well as handle the e-covers and visuals for my product package, right? So I just want to give you guys an inside look there. And then you break down your hourly, basically what your hourly rate is, and then you break down how many hours. For example, I base it on like a $23 an hour kind of situation. I'm not gonna overvalue myself right now, to be honest with you guys. So, let's just, for example, was to build a logo for 10 hours. It'd be $230 I would be willing to pay, basically, instead of paying myself, right? Product mock-up shot 4 hours would be $92. An e-cover taking 10 hours would be $230. Sales copy $345. So a breakdown of all the different things. But in reality, you can find an outsourcer that's very well trained, right, to do all this stuff for you. So you don't necessarily have to do everything yourself, right? And that's the thing is, when you end up doing everything yourself, you pause and get hesitant because you don't know if you're confident in your skill set for these different tools. So if you're wearing all these different hats and you're not even confident in every aspect of that project, you end up having doubts. And when you have doubts, you procrastinate, the job doesn't get done, right? So finding the who right away, figuring out what your strong points are and what you want to do, and outsource the rest. When you outsource to someone that's very skilled and talented, you eventually can build up who you outsource to. Then your tasks are happening like this when you're building a funnel, when you're building a business, when you're offering a service, etc. Right? So this applies to a digital agency as well, but as well as different projects in a business. Not every business owner has to be running around with their head chopped off and multiple hats every single time. That's not where I want to be. That's where I found myself as a business owner, being on my own. Whereas now I'm more focused on finding outsourcers to do a lot of the work so that I need a project done. Boom, this is the go-to team, this is the go-to people, and then it just happens, right? So hopefully this was valuable for you guys. This is that was mission 3. I just want to break it down quickly for you guys. If you guys are interested in getting to One Funnel Away, it's a 30-day program. You're learning every single day how to build your first funnel and possibly make millions doing it. If you're a current business owner, if you're looking to develop a product, it all applies. And a skill of learning how to use ClickFunnels is huge. If you already kind of dabbled in it, learned a little bit about it, you have the opportunity to sign up for a free trial below as well. One Funnel Away is $100, so get in there, 100% worth it. It does help me out as well if you guys click on my link. So sign up below with One Funnel Away and get in. If you get in, let me know. I'm gonna offer you guys a free call if you guys want to talk affiliate programs. I can give you guys some landers as a bonus. Just, appreciate it if you guys do sign up under my link. It does help me make money as an affiliate marketer. If you don't, not a huge deal, but I appreciate everyone that does. Also, if you want to get a free trial of ClickFunnels, click on the link below as well. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.